Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 1st, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. So let's start with the VIX. So VIX closed at 1984, so we are below 20. That's minus 0.74, 3.6%. Look at this here. So we were pausing a little bit, making a support. We broke that support. So the volatility of the S&P 500 is decreasing. So it means that people are less scared of the stock market. So the stock market should be continuing to go up. There was a reversal right here on October 11, where the volatility and the fear factor started to come down. And this coincides, if you look at Dow Jones right here, October 11th is right here, and this coincides with the move back up for the stock. Yeah, so VIX is continuing its way down, so stock market should be continuing its way up. We are getting close to an interesting resistance right here. Let me tell you the real number right here. It's 34,705. 34,705. Wow. 34,705. We are coming close to this resistance. This should be green. I'm just testing you guys. And you failed. Yeah. So we are coming to this resistance right here, and then things are going to have to be decided. Are we going to continue, or are we going to cave in? Cave in for congestion zones. That's reasonable. Or cave in to go lower, or we break this and maybe have a congestion zone here just to pause after that break and then continue. So based on the VIX, we should be breaking this 34,690 eventually, quite soon actually. Let's look at S&P 500. The S&P 500 is coming very close to this important downward resistance also. So this is a downtrend. We have been into a downtrend for 1 year approximately. So it was not really the time to get in the market. It was the time to get out of the market and keep our cash and let it go down, and then wait for S&P 500 to get out the downtrend to then consider getting back in. We are getting close to having to make a decision right here. Nasdaq has already made a decision. We are outside of our bullish channel, of our bearish channel. And this coincides pretty well with what Tesla has been doing. This is nice right here. I would still say that we are in a bigger congestion zone right here for Nasdaq. We have this resistance right here that was used as support right here at the beginning of September. So this would need to be crossed, and that's 11,565. So 11,565 would need to be broken so that we would really think that we are outside of the congestion zone that we are in. We were inside two congestion zones. We had one right here, and we broke outside of that one, but there's another one right here. And also, maybe this is the slope of where things are, of where we are right now. So I would say something like this. This is the slope of where we are right now, and we don't need these lines anymore. And this should be red line. Yeah. This seems to be the case, so it's going to be interesting. So check out 11,565. If we break this, then Tesla could also break its congestion zone, and then lo and behold, we could be into this new bullish trend, even though people have been talking about the next big crash is coming, a bigger crash is coming, Facebook is laying off people and everything. If we look at the fundamentals, we should not really get into the market, but what counts is not really the fundamental, because the fundamentals don't always drive the stock market. Many other factors that drive the stock market. And if you want to make money on the stock market, you need to have a strategy that follows what the stock market is doing. And since the stock market is not always following the fundamentals, your strategy to invest in the stock market should not always follow the fundamentals. It should follow what the stock market is really doing. And the best way to follow what the stock market is really doing is by doing technical analysis. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. But I wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.